You know, you look at any old cookbooks from
Right.
the 50s and you'll see some sort of gelatin recipe. Now, you're doing something today, which she outlined as good, correct?
Right, from the cookbook.
Now, this was who again?
This was my grandma Solomon's, my dad's mom.
All right.
She got this is from Jean Marie's cookbook.
From Indiana.
That's right, Indiana farm people.
And let me tell you what, this is magic.
It's good.
It's like a forgotten thing that I remembered as a kid.
It's so
And
simple.
it tastes like orange sherbet.
It's simple. It is a can of your mandarin oranges,
All right.
drained.
Yeah, I suppose you could go to the effort of doing these fresh if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Or not.
Pineapple,
1 can of pineapple.
and we chopped it up, and that one needs a little bit more chopping.
Needs a
looks
little
like.
more chopping.
That's right.
Not my fingers in here.
Not at all. We are going to put a whole container of Cool Whip and a whole container of cottage cheese.
That's 16 ounces of cottage cheese.
All right. Orange gelatin.
Orange gelatin.
All right.
There's your
I
gelatin.
may make a mess here, but let's see what I do. And then she let it sit overnight for a few hours.
And your bowl's about,
A bowl might not be big enough.
your cup overrunneth.
Yes.
Oh, this smells so good. Now, if you like orange sherbet ice cream, this is so delicious.
That's what it tasted like to you, didn't it?
It really did.
On the recipe, it said put this in the fridge overnight.
All right, let's put this in the fridge. And then the next time you see us, we're going to be chowing.
Yum.
Now that's set up. Look how that is.
What do you think? Do I get a bite?
You know what it reminds me of? Creamsicle.
Oh, it does. Like that pop. Oh, that's good.
That is almost like a creamsicle.
I guess this whole bowl's just for us,
Oh,
since we're eating
my.
right out of the bowl. That's delicious.